Greetings. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your Glide Gear WB Solo as a normal teleprompter. I purchased this Glide Gear Solo about a year ago and I've been using it over my iPad and normally on my laptop. But I have discovered another use for it now. It can be used like a normal teleprompter to record normal videos. So if you want to extend the use of this teleprompter to a normal usage, then this is what you have to do. I'm recording it right now with this teleprompter, and this video is being recorded with my smartphone instead of a web camera. So this is another extended usage of this teleprompter. It need not be confined to be recording with a web camera, either internal or an external like a Logitech Brio, but I've actually mounted my Samsung Note 20 Ultra camera. The setup is like this. First, you have to take out the iPad stand which comes in the teleprompter kit. I'll show you a photo of this. Then you screw in the bottom of that into a light stand. Then you assemble the top part iPad kit and slide it down and place your smartphone in the socket meant for the iPad. You can keep it either in the landscape mode or the portrait mode. Anyone will do. But since most videos use YouTube are recorded in the landscape mode, I have placed my phone in the landscape mode, and then bring it together. Tighten the top screw first. Then you can tighten the back screw also, so that the phone won't slip, and everything is set now. Now I'm recording with the back camera of my Samsung Note 20. There is a trick to that. I'm actually mirroring the phone on my Samsung tablet here by an app called Samsung Flow. There are other apps to mirror it, and here I am recording this footage with my Glide Gear WB Solo webcam teleprompter. This is the setup of my Glide Gear WB Solo for recording with a smartphone. So as you can see, there is a light stand below, and the bottom of the teleprompter is this is fixed into the light stand here. Over here, you should first start with the stable base. So once you fix this, then you slide your teleprompter over it. This should be at the back portion, and then at the desired height, tighten this thumb screw. So this portion is now fixed and it won't go anywhere. Then slide your camera in that slot there. When the camera has been slided to a sufficient distance so that the center camera is in the center of the teleprompter, tighten the top screw and you are ready to film. Then what you need to do is to place a hood over it. This is a hood, and I'm going to place it over the camera. Then I will place my prompting device here. Here we are. I'm using Prompt Smart Pro, and now we are ready to start off. So to start recording, I control that recording camera with a mirroring tab, Samsung tab, and this Prompt Smart Pro, as you know, will scroll according to your voice. So there's no problem with this. So it's a very compact setup. It's another extended usage for the Glide Gear teleprompter, and I'm very thrilled to share this with you all. So if you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Madras Joint Replacement Center, MJRC. I'll see you in another video.